docTR. Let's put it in a test. And we have OCR output. This is where we put the box. I mean, the boxes in this case is 100%. It's good because they are actually written with a challenging way. Even the zeros are not very clear. docTR. Let's put it in a test. Document text recognition. I really want to test this tool here because I want to use it for handwritten tickets, especially multi-digit recognition. So that's why I want to test actually the output of this tool and see whether it's gonna actually give us an interesting output, especially for handwritten documents. Let's test it. I have two images here, two kind of tests. One is digitally written, I mean a normal document, and another one is handwritten document that there are some digits inside or multi-digits that I really want to recognize. Let's see. So let's start with this one here, and this is a normal document, so one page. So then you select the pages. We have here only one page, and the model selection, you have two models, one for text detection and one for recognition. So two different models, and let's keep it as it is here, fast base and CNN VGG 16. There is a lot of models inside. There is ResNet, there is also mobile net. So there's a lot of models, but let's keep it for base, I mean fast base. And for recognition also they have a lot of models, again ResNet and other models, and so let's keep it like this, so make it simple. And there are some parameters as constraints, and let's assume that the page is straight, I mean clean and very rectangular for this case. And there is two other parameters. There is binarization threshold, which actually you increase it if there is a problem with if actually the document is clean, you just increase it, okay? So, and if the document is, there's some noise on the document, especially handwritten documents, you just decrease it. And for the box threshold, again, it's almost the same. If there is too much text, incorrect text detection, you just increase the box threshold. It may actually increase the accuracy. So let's test and analyze the page, and let's see for the output. Really interesting to see. Okay, segmentation heat map. We'll see the heat map. Yeah, very logic. So we have an interesting word here, and we have some informations down here, and we have OCR output. This is where we put the boxes in all the detected detected information. So, and we have the page reconstitution. Let's say what is inside. There is agreement, there's T dot, there is all the information we put. So let's see if this is actually the case. I think, yeah. So let's actually open the image here, just to make sure that, okay, so let's increase this here. Let's put the image on this side. Okay, so we have all the information. I think they are well detected and everything is good. Yeah, .com, W, all these numbers. I think it's good. So for normal documents, digitally generated, I mean, there's no problem. So the accuracy in this case is 100%. It's good. Let's test with another document. It's very, very complicated and challenging. I know it's handwritten, and it's gonna be challenging. So for sure. So let's try this one here. Okay, one page. So here I just want to detect and recognize all these multi-digits that we have here. The date, the and all these prices that we have here, all these multi-digits. And there is some Arabic here, which makes it also challenging. I don't think so that this docTR recognize also Arabic, but let's test, okay? So we keep all these parameters that they are, and let's do it. It takes a little bit of time, and for sure it will be very challenging especially for digit recognition, because they are actually written with a challenging way. Even the zeros are not very clear, but this is the point actually. So it's to detect all these multi-digits. So we see here the output. So again, it struggles to find some of the digits. So if we just put our document on this side just to compare, you see, so there are some of the digits are not well recognized, especially here 2800. It gives us 2 A's and C. Yeah, so it's very logic. It's, for me, I know it's a digit, but for the model, it's some kind of confusion between some of the digits and some of the characters, especially the O and the 0, the C. Like this, it's an incomplete 0, but it is recognized as a C. It's very challenging, I know. So this is actually my point, and even ChatGPT is gonna be struggling to find all these digits. So I'm gonna test it with ChatGPT, and I'm gonna put the same image here, and let's write, can you recognize, let's say, recognize the digits on this document, let's say. So here we have 1600, that's correct, and 2600, that's correct, 120, that's correct, 7500, here we have 7200. So there's one wrong, and 2800, it gets it. So 2800. So it's correct. So one missed digit, which is, instead of 2, we have here 5. So I know it's challenging. It's very complicated, especially when we combine digits and characters. That's it, everybody. So if you have any idea, just put them in the comment below. And thank you very much. Goodbye.